Good afternoon and welcome back to the next Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW E36, and in this video we're going to fix a non-working boot lamp. So I'll show you exactly what the problem is now. Under here, as you can see, and the light is not too good, there's a boot lamp and it's not working. So we need to find out why it's not working. So the first thing we can eliminate straight away is the fuse. And for the simple reason is fuse 33 is for interior and luggage compartment lights. But if I open the door, you can see the interior lights working, so if the fuse had blown, that wouldn't be working neither. So the fuse is fine, so I'll have to look elsewhere to find out what the problem is. Now something else I can eliminate quite easily is the bulb. Now with my power probe, I've got this, I can actually use it to test components off the car. So if I just touch both ends with the power probe, it's just a bit awkward with one hand. So if I apply voltage, there we go. So the bulb's working. So there's a problem with either the powers or the ground going to the lamp holder. So I've got the relevant page open at the Haynes manual for the wiring diagrams. We've got luggage compartment light, which is 34, there we go. And we've got the 2 hours, RT is red, there, and WS is white, so red and white is your power feed. And then the other wire, BR, that'll be brown, the brown white, that goes to the switch. So we'll see if there's a power feed to the red and white wire. We just need to eliminate that side of things. So the next thing I'm going to try is see if there's a live here, see if we've got a power coming to the bulb holder. So I've got the power probe. It's set to voltage, so we just touch it on the terminal. You can see it lights up. We're definitely getting power to it, so definitely a problem from this side to the earth. So the next thing might be a bit hard to film, so what we're going to do, we're going to check for continuity from this wire. It goes from the bulb holder to the boot light switch. Now I've got some makeshift probes there, which are used by bending an old paper clip. I've got my multimeter out, so check for continuity. And that's probably where our problem is, because this switch, it just earths straight to the boot lid. So it's maybe a bit difficult to do on camera, so if you just give me a moment, I'll set you down somewhere, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. Right, okay, I've managed to set you up where you can see something. So I'll get one probe to one end of the wire. This might be a bit awkward. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can get a reading. And I'm getting nothing, so there must be a break in the wire. So yeah, definitely not getting anything on there. So as further proof of concept, I've rigged up an earth wire. That's a good earth. And if we touch it to this terminal, if we touch the wire there, you can see it lights up. So definitely a bad earth. So we need to find out, it's somewhere between here now. The wires for the boot lid, they go around here. So I'm probably most likely to find a break somewhere around here. Well, it didn't take me too long to find the problem. There's our broken wire. So I just need, and I found a couple of other exposed wires as well. So I'll get some tape around these, and then just find other end this broken wire and just join it together. Unfortunately, I don't have any solder, so I'm going to probably use one of those butt clamps, well, butt connectors. But I'll get it done, and hopefully we should have a working boot light at the end of this. So with everything all buttoned up, we now have a working boot light. And I'll just show you, just move this power probe out of the way. And the break occurred around here. But as you can see, it flexes every time you open and close the boot. So that's probably what caused it to break. It's just an unfortunate thing. But with stuff like that, you know, you get the same in the doors. You know, where the wires go through the door, from the door to the pillar. You know, stuff like electric windows. You get the wires, they get stressed, they get bent back and forth, and then they just eventually give up and break. So anyway, I managed to effect a repair, and it works. So I'm calling that a success. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and ring that notification bell so you get notified of videos. Comments and questions, you know where to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.